In August 2023, the Grand Valley Cap and Ballers, located in West Michigan, hosted the 12th annual Ladies Fun Tyme at the range, a 2-day women-only muzzleloader shooting event. This unique event allows women to learn from and support each other along their muzzleloading journey. The day began with safety instructions over coffee, then moved outside to the range, where first-time shooters received personal gun handling, loading, and shooting instruction, while the veteran shooters loaded up in preparation for the various shooting events of the day. Clearly, the women had a blast. So, we invite you to enjoy the sights and sounds of the 12th annual Ladies Fun Tyme at the range, hosted by the Grand Valley Cap and Ballers.
I usually get half.
We're going to do the morning matches first. In the morning matches, you get a cash reward. So, Ron has those, he'll pass them out. We got the first, second, third base. So, first place with 47, 1X was Leanne here. Jeannie Trantham was second, 44.
And Jeannie was one of those people that you had to beat years ago or try.
Third was Jenny with.
As you can see, the 12th annual Ladies Fun Tyme at the range was a rousing success. If you're interested in starting or continuing your muzzleloading journey, please contact the Grand Valley Cap and Ballers at gvcnb.org. We invite you to join us at the 13th annual Ladies Fun Tyme at the range in August 2024. Hope to see you there.